So guys, I should think about, whoa, this train coming up. This train is my favorite. Now we can use them to do it. Not even too bad, but this is the good one we can do. Holy crap, bro. Let's try the other side of the train. They're sliding those rubber wheels. And even also announcement can make.
Crossover to platform C on the left for train service towards the city, Pasir Ris and Changi Airport. Crossover to platform F on the right for train service towards Tuas Link.
The best one we can do. My favorite train, C151. There's no way this can work. This is the perfect idea we can do.
Pasir Ris.
The best. Do you know that this train is my favorite? Cause got two trains right here. Now, safely. Did you know that my favorite train is a C151? Yep, and it's in Tuas Depot. I can't believe. But in December, I can go. And 4 months have not passed yet, and we still at 3 more months. So, it's time to enjoy. Obviously, this is the wall. This is perfect. There's no way anyone think that this might be the coolest one. So, did you know that every time I love C151, the best? So, what do you think? What do you think of my C151, the best? I can record it. how the announcement works.
Change at this station for the Bukit Panjang LRT.
Do you know that you can buy from Shopee because it costs $57 and $38? Because what do you think about it's fragile? This one is made out of metal. There's no way they're gonna beat us. So what can do is, do you know that we we always can buy this too? Did you know that we still can go to the depot? Yeah. Did you know? Yo, this train is so cool. I can't believe you guys like it. So, go see what the depot looks. The depot looks a different way. So, did you know that my favorite train every day costs $57, $38, $57?
Please do not leave your belongings unattended. If you see any suspicious looking person or article, please inform our staff or press the emergency communication button located at the side of the train doors.
Did you know that every time the train announcement was so good? I always like it. But the important thing, Did you know that this train, one of my favorite, is the C151? I can't believe that I never take in 2025. And it looks so... But did you know that it will be into a classroom and gallery? Did you know it will turn into a hospital? Well, think about that. Do you know that every time when I try the C151 keep going off, I cannot go in 2025. This is my last time already. Cannot take C151. Did you know that every time when I try this train, not make me upset but make me happy? This train is my favorite. And both trains, do you know, is my favorite train. So, I love it. And now, guys, I think we're coming to the end. I'll say goodbye to you. My tuition. I will see you again in 4 days. Bye.